Resources. A resource is something which satisfies human needs and provides us comfort. Anything in the environment which is useful to us or has a value and helps us live a better life is a resource. Natural resources. A natural resource is something that is found in nature and can be used by people. Natural resources occur naturally within the environment and exist in a natural form, relatively undisturbed by mankind. Earth's natural resources include air, water, sunlight, plants, animals, soil, grassland, forests, wildlife and fish, rocks, minerals and fossil fuels. Natural resources can be classified on the basis of renewable resources. Resources like wildlife, forest, etc. get diminished when we use them, but they can be replenished or regenerated either by natural cycles or through human efforts over a reasonable period of time. They are called renewable resources. Resources like food crops can be replenished through human effort. Certain resources such as sunlight, wind, water, and sand, etc. do not get exhausted even if they are used continuously. They are unlimited. Generating electricity does not exhaust the supply of water. Solar and wind energy does not exhaust even after years and years of use. These are called inexhaustible resources. Non-renewable resources. Resources which cannot be replenished through natural process or are replenished at much slower pace than the rate at which they are consumed are known as non-renewable resources or exhaustible resources. For example, minerals like coal and fossil fuel take millions of years to get replenished naturally and are therefore non-renewable. Human-made resources. Human beings have converted several natural resources to human-made resources through the use of knowledge, expertise, and technology. Using the natural resources, human beings have built roads, buildings, factories, plants, transportation, and infrastructure. Human resources. By human resources, we mean the people or the human beings. Human beings create new resources with their skill and ability to use their knowledge. Crude oil is obtained from nature, but it is the technological skill of the human beings which converts this crude oil into petrol, diesel, kerosene, and other petroleum products. Sustainable development. Sustainable development means the development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Conservation of resources. Conservation of resources means judicious use of the resources, keeping needs of the future generations in mind. The golden rule for conservation is reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce, consume less. Do not waste. The most effective way to reduce waste is to not create it in the first place. Reuse. Before you recycle or dispose of anything, consider whether it can be used for a little longer. A book, a magazine, or DVD can be shared or exchanged. Old clothes or cell phone can be donated. Recycle. Recycling is the process of collecting and processing materials that would otherwise be thrown away as trash and turning them into new products. Recycling benefits both community and the environment.